Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Today I want to talk about how some people are making six figures delivering medical supplies. If you've not heard about this, it's because it's not popular yet. Everybody knows about Uber and Lyft and some of these other taxi style businesses, but people don't really know about this particular industry just yet. So if you're watching this video, you could actually take advantage of the fact that the market is not as saturated and apply to some of the companies that I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm going to share with you guys 5 different companies where you can apply to become a medical supply delivery driver. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss out on any of the opportunities I'm going to talk about today. 2 of the companies I'm going to share with you guys today also offer other services. So you're not just stuck delivering medical supplies, you can also deliver other things. 4 of the companies I'm going to talk about are nationwide, and they offer you the opportunity to use your car, truck, or van to deliver medical supplies. When I did my research, I found that the average medical supply delivery driver makes between $50,000 to $120,000 in a year. And it really depends on the company you work for, how much they pay, and also the type of vehicle you have. So if you have a truck in your driveway right now, or if you have a cargo van, or if you have like a minivan, you can make a lot of money doing this. Now, if you don't have one of those vehicles, you can still make money delivering things. You just won't make as much as somebody who has a van or a truck. I'm going to be upfront with you guys. There's some requirements that you do have to meet with some of these companies. Some of these companies require that your vehicle is newer. One of the companies I'm going to talk about today requires that a vehicle has to be less than 10 years old. Another company I'm going to talk about requires you to be at least 21 years or older to apply. So every company is different. You really just have to go into the job description and just make sure that you match with the company. I will put all the links in the description box down below. I am not getting paid by any of these companies to talk about them. These are just the businesses that I found to be legit. But I have to also say that you need to do your own research before you apply to these companies and make sure that they align with what you're looking for. All right, the first company I'm going to show you guys is Priority. To apply for this company, you just have to go up here to Careers and then hop to Independent Contractor Opportunities. Hit that to see the current opportunities that are available in the states. When I checked this like 2 months ago, there were a lot more opportunities available right here, but it looks like these are more in Illinois, Ohio, and I guess this is Wisconsin. It looks like this company is based more up north. So if you're watching this from one of these states right here, you can apply to this particular company. The next company I'm going to talk about is Associated Couriers. This company looks to be more nationwide. They have opportunities all over the US. As you can see, there's opportunities in Missouri, there's opportunities in Texas, there's opportunities in Ohio, there's opportunities in New York. So lots of opportunities right here, and they are currently hiring. So check this company out. The next company I'm going to talk about is CB Driver, another company that's also nationwide. There's opportunities in Toledo for delivery drivers and couriers, opportunities in Knoxville, Tennessee. Charleston is represented here as well. And as you can see, there's definitely opportunities to drive for this company. The next company we'll talk about is Diligent Delivery Systems. If you want to apply for this, you just go to Careers and then hop down in here and then drive for Diligent. And they will show you, they actually have some sign-on bonuses for certified TWIC drivers. If you are a CDL driver, they also have a sign-on bonus as well. They show you the requirements. I like companies like this that kind of show you everything up front. That way you kind of know exactly, exactly what's required of you. And then they'll show you the type of vehicles that are popular with their company. So if you have like, a fuel efficient car, if you have a cargo van, a full-size cargo van, you can be able to apply to this company and start making money. The next company I'm gonna talk about is Freight. Now, their website is not as filled out as the other companies. But it looks like if you download the app, you can apply for this company. And the last 2 I'm going to talk about in this video are the ones that have more variety to them. They allow you to deliver other things other than just medical supplies. So GoShare is one of those websites. They basically kind of work like Uber or Lyft. The customer puts in a request for you to move something, and then you decide if you want to do the delivery or not. All of these companies are independent contractor opportunities, so that means you will not have a boss telling you what to do. This is just really up to you how much you want to make and also how much you're willing to work. If you want to make the six figures, then I would suggest applying to as many of these companies as possible and just picking, the jobs that make sense for you as the days go by, and just picking the opportunities that are going to make you the most amount of money every single day. So if you go to the website and you hit drivers and you hit learn more, you can see how much money you can make using a pickup truck, a cargo van, a box truck. Like box trucks are making $222 per hour to deliver things. If you have a regular car, this is probably the company that I would start with, just so you can start making this money, and then you can take this money and invest it into one of these bigger cars once you start making some money. And it looks like and they also show you how this whole process works. As you can see, you have strong earnings, you have flexible hours, weekly pay. Some of these companies also pay you per day. So at the end of the day, you have the money in your account, which I really like. I'm sure you probably also appreciate that too. And then the last company I'm going to talk about is Drop-Off. Drop-Off is in multiple industries. And as you can see, they work with a wide variety of different brands. So from like grocery stores to LabCorp to gas stations. Neiman Marcus works with them. They're in different industries from healthcare, retail, and industrial industry. So if you want to work for them, just hit Drive for Us. You can see the area where you can sign up to Drive right there. But as you can see, this company also offers the same thing. You're an independent contractor, so you don't have a boss. You have flexible hours. You're paid by the delivery. So I think this is the company I was talking about, where you get paid every single day. I could be wrong about that. Just go in here and verify that, but I think this is the company that does pay you per day. And as you can see, they are nationwide. So I'm seeing Alabama, I'm seeing Oklahoma, I'm seeing Nashville, I'm seeing Rochester, I'm seeing Fort Lauderdale. There are a lot of different opportunities available. If you qualify for this job, like if you have a car that you can submit for consideration, then I think this could be a really good opportunity. Like I've said before, I would suggest applying for multiple companies. So if you don't hear back from one company, at least you have a chance with the other companies. And if you get the opportunity, make sure you have all your paperwork together. Make sure you have your insurance. Make sure you have your driver's license ready. Make sure the car that you're going to be using is ready to go. One big thing about these companies that is not really on here, I don't really see it on a lot of their information. You learn about this as you apply, but they do require you to have a specific insurance, and every company is different. So I can't really tell you what they're going to require you to have, but some companies require you to have special insurance for your vehicle. So just make sure that you're prepared to provide that proof of insurance. So that's just my heads up. If you're gonna apply for one of these companies, make sure that you have really good insurance. All right, I want to show you guys how easy it is to apply to one of these companies. So we're gonna use GoShare as an example. You're gonna go in here and then hit apply now. And we're just gonna use just generic information in here. Let's just say John Smith. We're gonna do John Smith at gmail.com. Let's say phone number 5555555. Birthday. Okay, well, let's do 8. And then for the birthday, let's do January 1st, 1991. Okay. Zip code 90210. City, Beverly Hills. Do you have a valid driver's license? Yes. Are you willing to? We're gonna hit yes for all of these. No, we're gonna hit no for this one. Felony. No. Do you have auto insurance? Yes. So okay, hit next. Vehicle. Okay, so we're gonna say we have a Ford F-150. I'm looking for Ford right now. Ford F-150 pickup truck. Say it's silver. It says 2020. And we live in Texas. Oh, we said California, so we have to say we said Beverly Hills, so let's just say California right there. License plate. I don't have a license plate. I'm just gonna put just some random numbers for now. And we're gonna say that we own a dolly. And then that's it. So once you finish with all of that, once you enter your information, That's how easy it is. You just plug in your information, and as you can see, you're just gonna hit this, and then once I hit this, you're gonna create the account. It's gonna take you to another screen where you're gonna do a brief orientation, like a 30-minute video where they show you their process and how to actually pick up things. But aside from that, it's a very easy process, and you can get started on doing pickups at your own pace. You're an independent contractor, so you're going to be doing this at your own pace and picking up whatever you want to pick up. I think this company is pretty legit. When I looked it up, they've been around for a long time. So if you want to drive for a company that has many options as far as like what you can deliver, then I think GoShare is definitely one of the good ones. And I think this is the one that was paying like $22 per hour if you have a box truck, and $116 per hour if you have a cargo van. So definitely a good company to look into. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you found value in this video, and I hope that it was helpful. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know which company you're going to apply to, and subscribe to this channel because I plan on posting more videos in the future. And if you don't want to miss those, then definitely subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. All right, bye-bye.